Hi there, students. Grunge. A noun, an uncountable noun. Grungy as an adjective. Grunge, dirt, filth. The floor of the bar was covered in grunge. There was grunge all over the bathroom, and it took me hours to clean it. The sink was stuck and I had to take out the U-bend, which was filled with this horrible, grungy, disgusting sludge. Now, as to origin, I think we've got a word gunge, which is some unspecified, rather nasty thing. Maybe it's influenced by grime or grimy. Grungy, dirty, shabby, in disrepair. Something rather dingy and drab. Okay, so grunge, grime, any kind of dirt. So there was all sorts of grunge in the fridge because I'd left it full of things while I went on holiday. Now, yeah, dirt or filth, but especially when it's difficult to clean. Okay, very often certain parts of the city look very grungy. The grunge of an industrial estate. Now notice as well, grunge is a type of music. Grunge was a type of music from the 90s. I think Nirvana was the archetype of grunge. Grunge music is a mixture of punk and heavy metal. And this, I think, gave way after that to bands like perhaps Pearl Jam or things like that. So grunge, a subgenre of rock. Yeah, it's heavy. It's like heavy punk, something like that. But grunge, dirt. So you could have a grunge band, something that's grungy. I cleared all the grunge out of the drains. It was rather disgusting. Okay, so grunge. It can also be a type of fashion. Fashion which you wear clothes that look old and untidy. Yeah, and then you wear grunge fashion and you play grunge music. A grungy hotel room that cost £15 a night. It's grimy, it's maybe greasy, it's stained, it's not very nice. What's all that grunge in the bathtub? It looks absolutely disgusting. So yeah, some sort of muck, some sort of rather horrible, dirty thing. Yeah, so grunge, it's urban grime, urban dirt, thick dirt that forms on surfaces. The plug hole was full of disgusting grunge. If you're unable to remove grunge and dirt from your jewellery, then you probably ought to take it to a professional. So dirt, filth, grime. Not very nice. And this type of rock that's a mixture between punk and heavy metal, or a style of clothing that gives you an appearance of being not well groomed, not well cared for. Okay, so grunge, something rather unpleasant and foul. Yeah, I need to go to the bathroom and get this grunge off my hands. So formality, grunge. 3.5 to 4 in formality. Using something informal, informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but stop there. So, grunge. Bye for now.